Made it home. We went to the Challengers premiere. That joint is gas. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not one to blow smoke, alright? And if it wasn't really hitting, I just wouldn't say nothing. This movie right here. Hey, if this movie don't do numbers, we got some haters in the chat. Holleration, hateration is in fact in the dancery. So how about we make that not the case, alright? When this movie come out, Challengers, when it comes out April 26th, y'all need to hit that theater, y'all. I had to contain myself from all of the excitement, the anxiousness that was in there a little bit. You know, we don't really get anxious, but you know, when we watching movies and we want a certain outcome, a little anxiety coming in there. Otherwise, we good, okay? But I digress. The movie is great. Z, freaking star, all right? We've been through this, all right? Put some spec on the name. You hear me? April 26th. Go see it. This film was beautifully crafted. The intricate details of this joint, man, the camera shot list is really like nothing I've ever seen. And even the sounds of the film, like, you gotta pay attention. Like, you gotta really listen, because it tells you something without telling you something. And those are the type of movies that I love, and I think you'll love too. A1, the acting, the dialogue, the soundtrack was all. If you don't know nothing about tennis, it don't matter. You gonna want to watch this movie. It's intriguing, it's engaging. Uber proud, uber proud. We don't play favorites over here. We don't capitulate. We keep it 8 more than 92 with it. We keep it 100. All right? Go see it.